Hello my dear students, welcome to the Physics Chamber. In this episode, let me take up an actual NEET 2019 question and discuss that and tell you a technique in which you can do that question without even putting pen to paper. So here is the question. Have a look at this. My dear students, I teach my students in this classroom an approach called solve as you read, because you need to focus and try to process information even as you are reading the question. Now, when you're reading this particular question, you clearly understand that we are looking at a ratio, and we also understand that ratio needs to be heavier on the right side, which means the second quantity needs to be bigger. That straight away eliminates one option, which means 25% of the difficulty is ruled out there. Then, if you read closely and with focus and with the power of the concepts, then you understand that we are looking at a ratio of sine 30 and 60, which does not have a place for a quantity called root 2, which means one more option is straight away ruled out if you focus, that is solve as you read. Now, the options needs to be heavier on the right side, and it is a ratio of two sine quantities. Let me try and explain this using a prop if I can find something here. All right, I have a physics textbook here. This, my dear students, is a horizontal plane, and when I make it like this becomes an inclined plane, and you know that this angle is what we call the angle of inclination. We are told that an object is shot, it is not projected. Don't think it is moving like this. No, it is being shot up the inclined plane with the same velocity. In the first case with an angle, and the second case with another angle. And we know that when it is shot up with the same velocity, the angle, when it becomes steeper, it will travel less distance. Lesser the angle, more distance. That's common sense. So very clearly, two options are ruled out even as you read the question. Then it's just a question of arranging the ratios of sine 60 and 30 in the correct order. My personal take on this question, my dear students, if the question test setters wanted to make this question a little bit more difficult, then the option that we eliminated, which included that is root 2:1, could have been made root 3:1, which would have gotten some more smart students thinking. To solve many questions like these in the NEET and JEE actual examinations, my dear students, join me at the Physics Chamber, where I will teach you the foundation so strong that you can actually get to do problems in NEET and JEE, many problems in NEET and JEE, using the techniques like solve as you read, elimination of options, and then you can become much faster in your problem solving than the majority of the test takers. Welcome to the Physics Chamber. I'll be happy to be your teacher. Bye-bye.